So in my past video, back when Bitcoin's price was trading at 48K, I told you guys this. The longer we stay in this red box, the higher the probability that the price of Bitcoin will roll over and head lower. So I say there's a high probability that in case we do not push higher, we'll probably go touch $42,000 or $39,000 very soon. And just as I predicted, we saw the price of Bitcoin fall to 42K, but the price did not yet hit my second price target sitting at 39K. So is the price of Bitcoin going to fall again to 39K? Well, let's take a look at my current price analysis for Bitcoin, and also let's take a look at my next price targets for Solana. I know a lot of you guys missed the boat on Solana, but there's a great opportunity in the chart that you do not want to miss. What's going on, guys? It's Seth with SN22, and I'm back again with another one. As you guys already know, my corny jokes are free, my content is free. All I ask is you help our brother out, hit that like button and hit the subscribe button. Now let's find the order out of the chaos. Let's find the next price target for Bitcoin and Solana. We are looking at Bitcoin's price chart at the moment, and from the chart, we can see that after Bitcoin's price broke out of this symmetrical triangle pattern, the price of Bitcoin pushed above the 61.8 Fibonacci level. And I was expecting the price to go hit $54,000, right? But there was a lot of resistance in this resistance zone, right? So this resistance zone, that was a tough cookie to crack. So the price of Bitcoin got rejected about $53,000. And since then, the price fell to $42,000, right? So at the moment, we see the price trading in between the $47,000 and the $43,000 price level, or the 50% Fibonacci level and the 32.8 Fibonacci level. So I expect the price of Bitcoin to consolidate between the 50 and 38.2 Fibonacci levels, or for those who don't understand that, between $43,000 and $47,000, probably until the end of the month. But I would not be shocked if the price of Bitcoin pushes lower to my second bearish price target sitting at $39,000. Like I pointed out in my previous video when I compared the 2013 crash to our current state. Link to that video is in the description if you missed that. Now we are all about making profits, right? So let's take a look at Bitcoin's dominance chart to see what the big profits are going to be in the short term. Whether the big profits in the short term will be in Bitcoin or it will be in the altcoins. Let's take a look at Bitcoin's dominance chart. So in terms of dominance, we see from the chart that Bitcoin's dominance is continuously falling, right? And it is trending downwards in this descending wedge pattern. So I expect altcoins to take advantage of this, and altcoins will be gaining in market cap. But that will not last for too long because I expect Bitcoin's dominance to go touch 39% or maybe even 35% on the Fibonacci. And after that, Bitcoin's dominance touches the 39%. If it breaks lower and it touches the 35%, then I expect Bitcoin's dominance to rally up, and that would definitely bring down the altcoins, right? The altcoins would definitely start losing in market cap in comparison to Bitcoin. So that could either happen either by a big fall in price or a continuous or gradual fall in price for Bitcoin, or a big rally up for Bitcoin. In the past 2 months, we've seen the price of Solana go up and up and up like it will never stop. Some of you guys have missed out on the biggest bull run opportunity, and some of you guys have seen your Solana bags pump up like crazy. But now we see a change in the momentum, right? So now Solana is going back in a downtrend. Let's take a look at the chart to see what are the next price targets for Solana. We are looking at the price chart for the Solana versus US dollar pair, and we're in the daily time frame. For the past month, we see that Solana has gone parabolic over the past month, right? That is crazy. Let's look at that in terms of performance, right? In terms of performance, let's start from the past month performance, right? Let's start from August 15th. From August 15th to the all-time high, Solana gained over 400%. That is insane. We see that Solana traded way above the 618 fib extension. So I have the time-based fib extension drawn on the chart, and the 618 fib extension is sitting at about $90. We see that Solana's price broke above the 1.618 fib extension, broke above the 2.618 fib extension, the 3.618 fib extension, but it did not get to the 4 fib extension, right? But at the moment, we see that the price is trending downwards for Solana, right? Let me bring up the mean reversion channel so we can see the fair price for Solana, or the mean price for Solana. currently on the mean reversion channel, we see that Solana's mean price or fair price is sitting at about $53, but the price is currently trading at $165. That is about two times or three times more than the mean for the mean price, right? So I expect a big pullback for Solana. I have 3 bearish price targets for Solana. My first bearish price target is sitting at the moment the price is trading at a 2.618 fib extension, right? So I expect Solana to pull back to the 1.618 fib extension, and that is sitting at about $128, right? My second bearish price target is sitting at the second standard deviation. So the second standard deviation is sitting at $111. So I expect Solana to, if Solana breaks below my first price target over here, then my second price target is sitting at $111. If Solana again breaks above this price target, which is at the second standard deviation, then I have my next price target sitting at the first standard deviation on the mean reversion channel, and that is sitting at $77 for the first standard deviation. And this is my third price target for Solana. So yes, I am a little bit bearish on the price of Solana. I am not bearish on the project. The Solana project is insane. They have a great ecosystem. They have NFTs. They have DeFi applications, DeFi protocols, all running on the Solana blockchain. That is great. But I definitely see a pullback coming soon for Solana, at least in the short term, right? We've seen price run up like crazy. We definitely need a good pullback to probably even head higher. If the bull run continues, then it will probably even push higher, right? But at the moment, I see a pullback at least to the 1.618 or the $128 price level. Now, if you have not yet taken advantage of the 7.5% APY interest rates from BlockFi, definitely check out the links in the description and get $10 worth of Bitcoin with your sign up as well. And plus, you'll be getting me a free cup of coffee when you do that. So thanks a lot in advance. And also don't forget to hit that like button and hit the subscribe button. Check out this video for my previous price analysis as well.